Well, we had a storm blow through last night. Some people say that some of the straight line winds got up to 80 miles an hour. So we're going to go out here and see what kind of damage is done. I can see there's a tree on my truck. I come out last night and checked, make sure none of the windows had got broken out. So I think it's just mainly on the bed. I just don't know how bad the damage is on the bed. So that's my job this morning, is to get that tree cut off my truck. We can't even get her car out because of the tree. It's like it just took half the tree. Part of it's still standing. Then my neighbor, her carport got blown away. You can see the metal up in the trees. And back there around her pool. Ooh, there's metal all back there. And something has hit our storage shed and put a hole in the back of it. But I don't see any other damage on the house. I've got a roof leak that I didn't have before last night. I noticed it this morning. The shutter's all blown sideways. I'll have to get up on the roof later and see what's going on, but I guess right now I'm going to get this tree cut off my truck and see how bad the bed is damaged. Alright, well, we'll talk to everybody later. Hope everybody's doing okay and didn't get a lot of damage from the storm. It could have been a lot worse. It could have hit the cab directly. But talk to everybody later. Bye.